Tanya. In this channel, I teach CBSE 10th Maths. Check out our 8th and 10th Maths videos in the playlist.
Alright, now let's get into the video.
Today we are going to be learning Chapter 9, Some Applications of Trigonometry, Exercise 9.1, 6th question. Alright, now let's read the question. A 1.5 meter tall boy is standing at some distance from a 30 meter tall building. The angle of elevation from his eyes to the top of the building increases from 30 degree to 60 degree as he walks towards the building. Find the distance he walks towards the building. Alright, so there is a 1.5 meter tall boy. Alright, so now let us draw that. So here now there is a boy, 1.5 meter. This is a boy, okay. Alright, is standing at some distance from 30 meter tall building, okay. So the boy is standing at some distance, okay, at some distance from a 30 meter tall building. That means if the boy is here means the building is somewhere here, okay. Alright, then the angle of elevation from his eyes to the top of the building increases from 30 degree to 60 degree as he walks towards the building, okay. So the angle of elevation from his eyes to the top of the building. So this is the eye of the boy, isn't it? So when he looks up, there is a building here. So there is an angle, right? We just call it as angle of elevation. 1 second. Perfect. So this is the angle of elevation, okay. So let's draw the ground level as well. So this is my ground level. Perfect. So now let's read further. Okay, to the top of the building increases from 30 degree to 60 degree, okay. So how to do that? Think about it, okay. As he walks towards the building, okay, so this is the boy, okay. See, he walks towards the building like this, isn't it? So while walking towards the building like this, there is an angle. It forms an angle that is 30 degree and 2 is 60 degree. That means here if I just draw a line, a horizontal line, okay. So here this is the top of the boy, isn't it? Eye of that boy, isn't it? So when he walks towards the building, here it is forming an 30 degree, okay. Alright, and then when he walks further, he will form an angle right over here. Why? I'll explain that, okay. You have to read the question properly, then only you'll understand. Alright, so here it's forming 60 degree. You have to be careful here. So here no, they told that the angle of elevation, alright, this is the angle of elevation from his eyes to the top of the building, okay. This is the top of the building, isn't it? Increases, this word is very important, increases from 30 degree to 60 degree, okay. So first it's forming an angle 30 degree, increase means it is increasing 30 to 60 degree, okay. So never commit a mistake that you should write 30 here and you have to write 60 here. Don't write 30 here, okay, then it will be wrong, okay. Increases means from small to big only we have to do it, right, okay. So as he walks towards the building, okay. So the 60 degrees, you know, when he walks towards the building, it is forming 60 degree. So when he walks like this towards the building, it is forming an angle here that is 60 degree. Find the distance he walked towards the building. Perfect. You have to find the distance he walked towards the building. So now let us take it as A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Alright, so this is enough, I guess. Yeah, so here now the building is 30 meter tall, isn't it? So let's write that also, 30 meter tall. Perfect. So now let us solve it, okay. We have to find the distance from here to here he reached, right? We have to find the distance he walked, okay. Alright guys, so I just do the figure here, and in this figure, since you guys know, so in this figure, no, the height of the building, this is the building, isn't it? So the height of the building is 30 meter, isn't it? And the height, I mean the tall, here it is 1.5 meter tall. Okay, alright. So here this is the boy, this is the height of the building. So here since we have 1.5, when you come straight, here also will have 1.5, isn't it? Why? Because here straight when you come now, same amount of length only, so here when you come straight. Okay, so here since we know this complete lines value and this particular lines value, that is BC, we can actually subtract them. So when we just subtract them, I'll get 28.5. So here it's going to be 28.5. Okay, now this is how we find the values. Okay, so remember carefully. Okay, so we have to find the height, distance traveled by the boy. Okay, so this is the building, isn't it? So this is the building. So from here the boy, he moved like this, isn't it? And he stopped and when he moved, he stopped here, isn't it? So we have to find this particular distance. Okay, so from here to here he came, we have to find the distance. All right, so since we have to find the distance, let us take on triangle ABF. In triangle ABF, so ABF, here the angle is 30 degree. So tan 30 degree is equal to, so here opposite side by adjacent side, isn't it? So here the opposite side is AB, so AB by adjacent side is BF. Perfect. So tan 30 degree value is 1 by root 3 is equal to AB value, it is 28.5, and BF value we don't know, right? So let's write it as it is. So let's do cross multiply. So when I do cross multiply, I'll get BF is equal to 28.5 root 3 meter. So this is our value for BF. Okay, all right. So now let us take another one triangle, that is triangle ABG. Okay, why? Because we have an angle, right? That's why. In triangle ABG, here we shall use tan. Here angle is 60 degree. Okay, so tan 60 degree is equal to opposite side. So the opposite side is AB and the adjacent side is BG. Perfect. So tan 60 degree value is root 3 is equal to AB value is 28.5 divided by BG. Let us write it as it is. Okay, so now let's do cross multiply. So when I do cross multiply, I'll get BG is equal to 28.5 divided by root 3. Okay, why? Because root 3 into BG, right? We'll get root 3 into BG. So it is in multiplication. Root 3, when it is in multiplication, when it goes to that side, it changes into division. Okay, all right. So somehow we got the BG value. Okay, all right. So here now remember one thing. If I just find the value for GF, that will be the distance covered by the boy. Okay, how means from here he traveled here, isn't it? Same amount of distance, isn't it? So here if you just find for GF and if you find for DE, both are same only. Okay, GF is pretty easy. Why? Because we have angles here, isn't it? So focus on the area in which we have angles. Okay, it's going to be helpful for you guys. Okay, all right. So now since we have the BG and BF value, let us write distance walked is equal to BG. So we want to find GF value, isn't it? We have to subtract BF. Okay, BF minus BG. Why? Because BF, the complete angle minus this particular angle. Okay, that is the reason. So BF minus BG. So BF value now only we found it, that is 28.5 root 3 minus BG value we got it as 28.5 divided by root 3, isn't it? Perfect. So now what we can do is, now here nothing is there means 1. So we have to take LCM. So when I take LCM, I'll get 75.5 minus 28.5 divided by root 3. Okay, and then is equal to so when we just subtract it, we will get 27 by root 3. So since you guys know we should not have root 3 in the denominator, isn't it? So let us multiply into root 3 divided by root 3. Okay, alright. So is equal to 27 root 3 divided by root 3 into root 3 is 3. Cancel. 27 we get it in 3 table, isn't it? Okay. So 9 3s are, it is 27 is equal to 9 root 3. Okay. So the boy traveled for 9 root 3 meter. Okay. This is the distance.
Thank you guys for watching this video. Please like this video, share it to your friends and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Catch you in the next video. Bye.